Did you know that in 2026, AI influencers are becoming one of the easiest way to create content and even monetize them? In this video, I will show you step by step how to create your own AI influencer and how people are monetizing it using the platform Higgsfield. So now we are inside the website called Higgsfield. Okay, and Higgsfield is an AI platform that allows creators to design realistic AI influencers, generate videos, and even earn money from this content. You don't need a camera, you don't need a studio, and you don't even need to show your face. Isn't it wonderful? In this website, we'll just click on this AI Influencer Studio. You see this? This is a new. So we'll click here and it shows something like this. Let's start by creating an AI influencer from scratch. Okay, and here you can choose a ready-made character or customize everything by yourself. You see this create new, or here like this Skylar, Paris, Dorian, these all are ready-made. Okay, but if you want your own, then you can just click here, and here are some characters that are already built in. You can use this also, and here like female, male, okay, all the options you'll be finding it here to create your own AI influencer. Okay, and if you want to just give a prompt, you can give a prompt and create your own AI influencer. This is the place where we are going to work and create our own AI influencer. Okay, and just to let you know, Higgsfield gives you more than 90 parameters to customize AI influencer. All this, as you can see it here, okay, like hair, face slider, clothing, everything you will find it inside this one dashboard. So what we are going to do, we are going to build our own AI influencer. So we'll click here, create new, and this is the place where a new AI influencer will be created. Okay. And the most important thing that I like is the prompt section. You want anything, you just give a simple prompt and this influencer AI will create your own AI influencer. So I just made one prompt here. It says create a realistic digital human influencer named Bhaktiman inspired by the classic Indian superhero Shaktiman, but with a modern and original twist. The character should have a heroic noble presence exuding wisdom, strength and positivity, appearance, tall athlete and all such things. You can just use some other chat AI to create your own prompt, okay, as per your requirement. So my prompt is ready. Once my prompt is ready, what I will do, I'll just hit this generate influencer. Okay, so let's go, and I hope this will work. And as you can check, it shows it's in queue, generation started. So we'll just wait until our AI influencer gets ready. Okay, and you can also use it for yourself. Try all other things that are present in this dashboard. Like Higgsfield gives you more than 90 parameters to customize your AI influencer. You can change face, structure, skin tone, hairstyle, body type, outfit, and all other things. Okay, so let's wait until my AI influencer gets ready. Okay, as you can check, our influencer AI is ready. A fully customizable AI influencer designed for virality. So once our generation is ready, we can either edit in our Nano Banana Pro, or you can just, you see, viral motion library, because now we have got only static image, right? We just need it to, I will just click on explore more and see what other things that are available. Okay, here is the video. So add motion to copy. So we'll just click here. Okay, we don't have it here. Okay, I'll choose this one for once. Okay, once I'm done with this, I'll just create on generate. I hope this will work, and you also the same way change the motion of the AI influencer that you have just now created. Okay, as you can see, the result is ready. AI influencer is ready. As you can see, the result looks very realistic and ready for social media use. So let's play it once. Just click here, and you see, So friends, I have just created one more AI influencer video. I'll just play it in front of you. Okay, here it goes like this.
I think we should consider that option.
This is wonderful.
I
And the previous video, as you can check, it goes here like this. So this video was not having audio, so I just managed to create one more video, no problem. Okay, so now the most interesting part is monetization. Higgsfield Earn is a platform where creators can upload AI influencer content, track performance and earn money. Okay, so for that what you have to do is just, the process is very simple. Okay, we'll come here, explore, and this is the part. Okay, here once you publish your video on YouTube or Instagram, paste the link here and Higgsfield tracks your performances. Okay. What's interesting is that you don't need a huge audience. Even small creators can earn using AI influencer and experiment with new contents. It's very simple. Okay. So here is the dashboard. It looks like this. You just click here, start earning, and the uploaded video, you see, it is written step by step. Step 1, you just need to log in, connect your social media account and verify ownership instantly. No waiting for manual approval. Okay. And the next thing is that you just need to post the content that you have created using Higgsfield. Create a video content and post it to your feed. Simply paste the link into your dashboard to begin tracking. And third, unlock 3 tier rewards, receive a payment for every approved video, plus 24-hour 7-day bonuses. This is how it works. So in summary friends, Higgsfield allows you to create AI influencer generate high quality videos and earn through Higgsfield Earn. If you're curious, try this. I have shared all the links in the description and pinned comment. I hope you like the video. To hit the like button, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.